Hey, this is Carrie with Matthews Painting Company with Jim Webster. We just finished up a project, Kent and myself, getting some fresh color on the walls, freshening up the trim a little bit, and just getting this garage looking nice and new. Jim, I just had 3 quick questions for you. How was your experience with Matthews Painting Company and the painters in your home?
Very good experience. Jason did a good job of explaining what was going to happen. And then the painters, Carrie and Kent, both did a very good job of painting, cleaning, preparing, and well pleased.
All right, thank you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate us?
Probably a 9.9999.
Thank you. And last, would you hire us back, and would you recommend us to friends and family?
Oh, heavens yes. Hire you back. No problem at all, and recommend anybody.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Jim, for your business and for your time.